What are the maximum dimensions of a wall print? Are there any limitations? And how do you deal with them? Hi everyone, Rafał from Wall Printers here, and this is another episode from our FAQ series. Right here, right now, we're answering your most frequently asked questions about the wall printing industry. In this episode, we'll show you what dimensions you can achieve and how to tackle challenges when working on large projects. Let's get started. Most people know that a wall printer can create prints across an entire wall, but few realize just how large these projects can truly be, or what the technical limitations of the equipment are. Let's start with the basic printer parameters. A Wall Printer Pro, in its standard configuration, on wheels, has a height of 232 cm, while on rails it's 247 cm. This translates to a maximum graphic height of approximately 175 cm. This is sufficient for most standard projects, such as company logos, home decorations, or smaller murals. But what if you need to print something taller? This is where additional accessories come in handy. The first is the flexible vertical extension. This is an optional accessory that includes 3 extensions with lengths of 20, 30, and 40 cm. Because you can combine them in various configurations, you gain the ability to increase the print height to suit different rooms. It's simple. As you can see, with such a set, you can adjust the printer's height every 10 cm. This is an ideal solution when you want to utilize the full height of a room. For instance, in a restaurant where walls are 3 meters high. For even larger projects with the standard printer package, we provide additional guide rail extensions of another 50 and 100 cm. The set includes an additional frame, a support bracket, and a belt, which allows for stable extension of the printer. Thanks to this solution, our customers can increase the printer's basic height by a full 150 cm. This means that the maximum print height with the basic starter package can reach up to 325 cm. Still not enough? In the accessories section of our website, you'll find a 2-meter extension set. It includes a 100 cm rail and additional accessories, a belt, a frame, and a bracket. Thanks to this package, you can easily increase the print height by a full 2 meters by combining it with 1 meter rail from the basic package. This allows you to print projects that reach up to 375 cm. Imagine a full wall print in a living room with a high ceiling, or an impressive graphic in an office. With these extensions, all of this is possible. One of our community members even performed a print on external scaffold. What about the print width? Here's the good news. The width is practically unlimited. This is all thanks to the fact that the printer can move on rails, and these rails can be repositioned during printing. How does this work in practice? The printer prints from left to right. Once it prints a section on the left side, we can take the rail from the left and move it to the end. And so on, by shifting the rails, we can print virtually infinitely. We talked more about rails and their advantages in the previous episode, where we explained the differences between rails and wheels and clarified whether the printer can stand on uneven surfaces like tiles or carpets. If you haven't seen that episode yet, be sure to check it out. A link will appear on the screen. For some projects, flexible rail package also come in handy. This is another optional item you'll find in our offer. Extensions are available in lengths of 25 and 50 cm. They work perfectly in situations where there isn't enough space to add another 1 meter rail. For example, when printing in a narrow corridor or in a room with furniture that cannot be moved. And by the way, if you're wondering how much these additional accessories cost and whether they are essential for your business, fill out our contact form. You'll find the link in the description of this video. You'll immediately receive a full price offer, and a customer representative will contact you by phone to answer all your questions. To summarize, the maximum dimensions for wall printing are height, up to 375 cm using the basic package and available additional extensions. Width, practically unlimited, thanks to the ability to reposition the rails. From our experience, the standard printer configuration is sufficient for most projects undertaken in the wall printing business. However, it's worth considering additional accessories if you plan specialized projects with non-standard dimensions. I hope that after this video you now have a clear understanding of how large prints you can create with a wall printer and how to make their realization easier. As you can see, the possibilities are truly impressive, and with the right accessories and a bit of creativity you can undertake projects of any size. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos about wall printing and running your own business in this industry. See you next time.